Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Jason, want to say hi?
Hi.
He's with us.
This is a windy road. Well, that car's still there.
Yeah. So we are back at it today. We're going to take you on our, not a complete day, because we're going to start a project. And I'm going to name this new little playlist because we're not going to finish this project today. It's going to be...
I'm excited about it. This is going to be fun. I hope it turns out the way we think it'll turn out.
I know. So I'm going to name this project projects that you sucker your husband into.
We might need to come up with a shorter name.
I know. So anyway, we're heading to Ikea. That's the first stop on our supply list. I've kind of had plans for this for a couple months, but I had an idea to do it for a lot longer than that. So we're gonna go to Ikea. Do you have anything?
We could call it the Honeydew Now list.
Yeah, because it was always a honeydew list. It's just that we're doing it now. So anyway, come along and I will create a playlist as we work through this project, because there's different phases of it.
It could take a while.
Yeah, it could take a while. I wanted to get it done before the holidays because I know that it gets kind of crazy at the holidays. So let's go to Ikea. Do you realize this is the first time we've come to Ikea without kids and not having to check them into the play eye?
Yeah, I saw that, and I'm like, oh, we don't have any kids in there.
Kind of miss it.
We miss our little munchkins.
All right, we're gonna keep dropping. He showed me these cool tiles. So they're Subway, but then they have like a little lip to them.
Bevel.
And then, bevel, thank you. But then I said, oh honey, look how nice our kitchen would look in all white. And then he walked away. Right?
Time to keep moving.
Yep.
Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here. It's all beautiful and white. I have dreams, guys, but we did not win the Mega Millions, so can't do it yet. Is it number 002-63850?
Yep.
Okay. This is why I brought him, folks. I've done this by myself too many times.
I think it's heavier than you expect.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Okay. I'll hold this.
Oh, this one's smaller.
So we need two of those.
Two of.
Oh.
Lift with your back. Lift with your back. Okay. What else we got?
Oh, you guys. Just when you think you're doing it right at Ikea. We're literally, what, a 1/4 inch?
Well,
These shelves, okay, the shelf measures.
well, this little paper says 31.5 by 11 by 13 3/4, and then get the extender that's the same.
But it's off by 1/2 inch
But this
and a
says,
1/4 inch.
instead of 31.5, it says 32. So
You take a risk?
inside edge, outside edge.
Anyway, this is the struggle with Ikea, folks.
It's got to work.
We're gonna take a risk.
It's the name. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, for the first time, I'm not embarrassed that we were filming in a store, because we were sitting here with the camera sitting on the shelf and an Ikea worker walked past and she's like, it looks like you guys have a question. So she explained that their labeling system on the shelf, the computer system will round up on the numbers. So they literally round it up.
So if the name isn't long enough, then they'll round up to make the numbers match underneath it. So instead of 31.5, they'll just make it 32.
So.
Which can be really confusing. So anyways, keep that in mind when you're at Ikea. The numbers don't always have to match.
Okay, let's go.
More than one?
No, please don't tell me they have. No, they're all right here.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
Oh, wait, that one's red. Is it a different number?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No, look. 402-638-53. White.
Well, that's 5'3".
Right. All right. Scared us a little bit. So 2 height extenders, 2 mini shelves, and 1 billy. Right?
Yeah, I'm hoping this, yeah.
All right. Let's see if it works. Okay, and this is for my friend Mary. Mary, this is what I use for my makeup tables. You get this little tabletop, these cheapo legs. They're only like, so look, the tabletop is $24.99, and then each of the legs are only like $3. So that's what I do for my makeup tables and my little desks in my study.
There they are.
He's been complaining about these Allen wrenches being stolen from our deck. Like
No.
anyone's gonna steal Allen wrenches.
No, I lost them.
Because you didn't put them away
I did put them away. I just...
in the drill bag, because that kind of makes sense.
Thanks.
Okay, we're gonna build these.
It does make sense. Trust us, it's not just going to be IKEA shelves. We've got bigger plans. So don't get turned off by the fact we're just putting up IKEA shelves.
Stay tuned as we continue to work on this project, you guys. Subscribe and click on that bell so you won't miss the next portion of this project. Take care. Talk to you later, guys.
Yeah, just go ahead. Oh, love. Hold up.
I'm just laying them out, babe. Chill, Huss.
Us?